National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, northeastern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey. This includes the city of Vineland, southeastern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, until 8 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Newfield, or 7 miles northwest of Vineland, and moving east at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Vineland and 6 miles south of Victory Lakes around 7:10 p.m., Blaine around 7:20 p.m., Mispah around 7:50 p.m., 8 miles north of Dorothy around 7:55 p.m., Weymouth, Elwood, Magnolia, and Mays Landing around 8 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, large hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: in New